This pergola showed up in 5 massive boxes. I built about 90% of it myself. Recommended 3 people. Let's see if I can do it with this guy. I bribed my neighbors with banana bread for the very hardest part, and yes, I did step off a ladder, fell off a ladder onto a hammer.
Not a real project without an injury, right?
Totally my fault.
My bad. Everybody all right?
But after building this entire thing, I can honestly say this is one of the most high quality DIY structures I've ever installed. Now let me show you how it went. All right, first impressions of the unboxing. This is the RELAXURE 10 by 12 motorized louvered pergola, and it arrived in 5 large boxes delivered right to my driveway. I moved everything into my garage, unpacked all the components.
I got my knife and I got my pergola parts. Let's do it.
I broke down and organized all the cardboard, laid everything out so I could see exactly what I was working with.
All right, I'm down to my last box. I've got all of this unboxed right here, plus the big posts. I try to keep everything organized, so that's trash. This is all recycled down here. Let's clean this up and go to our next step.
Right away, the packaging stood out to me. Every single piece was wrapped in protective plastic, which was honestly really satisfying to peel off.
Oh, and pulling that off. I love doing that.
And all the hardware came neatly organized in canvas bags, which felt kind of elevated to me.
I gotta say, I'm really impressed with all that this comes with. It's got this remote control that controls it. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's a transmitter to control that remote. And then it's got all the hardware, but not only that, it's got these rubber mallets to help pound in those posts and those side pieces. It's got all the Allen wrenches that you need right here, and everything packaged so nicely in these canvas bags, which I really appreciate that extra little touch.
That alone felt like a step above most furniture or outdoor kits that I've assembled. The remote, honestly, deserves a moment in and of itself. It has real weight to it, a clean design. It feels incredibly well built.
Check this thing out. Honestly, so nice.
Look at that. This isn't a cheap plastic remote. This whole thing feels premium, and that sets the tone for the entire pergola system. The hardware itself is also exhaustive. They include more hardware than you actually need, along with the anchoring options for concrete, for wood, or in my case, Trex composite decking. I've anchored everything into the Trex and it worked perfectly. Okay, so the instructions say that 2 to 3 people can assemble this thing in a few hours. I built about 95% of it solo, and it took me about 5 hours, but that's with me taking my time and being careful all alone. There is one step where you absolutely need help, and that's installing those cross beams onto the 4 vertical posts. I bribed 3 neighbors with my banana bread, which is amazing, and even then, we managed to install the beams upside down.
We maybe installed these upside down the first time, so. Here's our redo.
Again, my fault. I didn't read the instructions perfectly. I thought that I could do it on my own, but that one was on me, not the pergola. We swapped them around.
Okay, we've got all 4 sides up with the top pieces on. Now it's time to attach the electronics.
Lined everything up perfectly, and from then, the build was totally smooth.
This is the corner with all the electronics. We're gonna tighten these screws so that our brackets are flush, and then we're gonna connect all of the electronics to the corresponding receivers. Over here on the motor side, we're gonna do the same thing and connect power with these 2 here.
All right, let me tell you about the engineering, the drainage, and the weather. Throughout this build, I kept wondering, What happens when it rains? Where does the water go? What about the motor? What about the LED wiring and the lights? And step by step, those questions were answered for me by the beautiful engineering of this thing. There are integrated rain gutters hidden throughout the frame that channel water right down through those posts. Got all the louvers up, got all these plates in. Now we have this little rain guard. Look at that. Snaps right into place. Look how clean. Woo! I love this. The electronics are protected. The very final step of the install actually was snapping on these clean clip-on covers that seal everything up so beautifully. All right, I have a confession. I actually have a crippling fear of heights. I just want you to see where I am. I'm 3 stories up from my ground below me, and I'm just right on the edge here. But I'll do it because I love it. This thing is so precisely engineered. I am just going crazy for this. I love it. You will too. Everything fits just the way that it should. No forcing parts, no sketchy connections. This thing is an engineering marvel. Let's talk about the louvers, the LEDs, and the electrical. All right, installing the louvers was one of my favorite parts. They're solid, they're well built, and they're very surprisingly easy to install. They go up fast. Once everything is in place, the entire system is controlled with that remote. There's no opening and closing manually. Power is simple, one plug into a standard external outlet and everything runs from there. From inside the house, we can open the louvers to let the sunlight in. We can close them to block the heat, or we can seal the roof completely if weather moves in, just like it did last night. At night, the built-in LED lighting completely changes the vibe of our deck space. Guys, this pergola has completely transformed our deck. What honestly used to be an open, really hot, windy space now feels like a true outdoor room, an extension of the house. It's usable throughout the day, at night, and even across all seasons, even now in the winter. In the summer, our deck gets absolutely blasted by the overhead sun. And we tried one of those big sunshade umbrellas. They were expensive, the wind just moved them all around, and they were a pain to kind of put up and take down. This thing is solid, and it solves literally all of that. Okay, let's talk about price. This system is expensive. It's about $5,000, and honestly, I think it's completely worth it. The materials feel like powder-coated steel. The fit and finish are excellent, and the functionality makes our space usable all year round. If I had one extra set of hands, I genuinely think that I could have put this thing together in 2 to 4 hours, but even doing it by myself, 5 hours, not so bad. All right, what's my final thoughts, my final verdict on this thing? Guys, I would wholeheartedly recommend this pergola system. Everything about it feels thoughtfully designed, built to last. If you're comfortable with basic tools and following written instructions, this is a very, very easy, very DIY-friendly project with an enormous payoff. So listen, if you're considering a louvered pergola and you want something that looks great, functions beautifully, and feels truly high quality, this is it. I'll put details to this product in the description below and in the top pinned comment. Thank you for watching. As always, it means the world to me for you supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.